Hello my lovely viewers, Sylvia here, and this is my D1Bundle review. So D1Bundle that we are looking at today, and it's quite a product, I must say. You know, quality, genuine software is gonna do a bunch of things for you. So this is a product by Moshbari, and it's like 4-in-1. Yeah, that's why it's called D1Bundle. Okay, so these are the products which have been released by Moshbari in the past, and you would be getting four softwares. So that's DriveZPresso for your storage. So it would replace your Dropbox or Google Drive, and then HostzZPresso for unlimited website hosting and domain hosting. Then FunnelZPresso for, you know, is a funnel builder, so for building all sorts of pages, mainly landing pages. And then number 4 will be MailZPresso, and that's your autoresponder. Alright, so it's amazing. You get so much value for your money for a ridiculous price of actually $17 during the launch, and it launched today. And today is the 21st of September, I think so. Sorry guys, some people have no respect for time. Yes, I am one of them. Anyhow, it launched today, yeah? Just check when I made this video. Anyhow. So yeah, it's gonna be amazing for people who are into Emilia is my daughter's name. Into email marketing and like blogging, you know, because you can host so many like blogs or websites, all of that. But hey, interestingly, it also comes with commercial license. So guys, you can just, you know, offer your services on Fiverr.com, like, and use it for your clients. You can even approach clients locally, and you can just offer these services. But you know, we'll go through the sales page. You know, I have all of the 4 dashboards for you, so I'll show you what's inside the members area. And guys, hey, it's 4 softwares, yeah, so I will not be able to explain to you every single of them, you know, what exactly you will find. I'm not gonna be able to click on every single of the features because it would just take me at least like half an hour, maybe an hour to do this review, and I don't mean to be boring you here. Who has an hour to watch a review, right? So what I will do, I have full demos for every single of those softwares. I attach them below my video, so please do watch those demos before you make the purchase and see if you like what you get inside the members area, right? And what I will also do, I'll attach the link to my bonus page below my video. So if you wish to purchase this D1Bundle from me, you can do it via my bonus page. Alright, now let's jump into the sales page. We'll just quickly go through the headlines, and then I'll show you every single of those softwares, okay? So here we are. As you can see, you get $3 discount, so instead of 22, it's only 19. Now I am a little bit confused because it was saying 17, but we'll just, you know, double check. But now you get this anyhow, if it's 19 or 17, who cares? It's just $2, but you know what you're getting is like incredible here. So, but I would not really use this discount because guys, you know, you won't then get the autoresponder, so that's MailZPresso, you know, so you won't get the, yeah, you won't get the autoresponder. So I wouldn't worry about the discount, to be brutally honest with you. Just, you know, pay the $22 and you have bunch of, you know, 4 powerful softwares. So here's what they say. The1Bundle. Stop paying monthly recurring fees to autoresponder, Cloud Drive, graphics, webinars, funnel builder, who hold you and your data hostage for monthly fees that never end. It's true, you know, you pay for those ones monthly, and with this one it's one-time payment. So now you can have everything you need: autoresponder, storage, cloud hosting, graphics, webinars, and even funnel page design without ever paying thousands of bucks every month. True. Okay, here are all of the features, guys. Please, please, please do check them out. Go via my bonus page and you will end up on the sales page. Check it out properly. I will not be like reading all of that out for you because it would take me ages, and that's not the purpose of this, you know, review, to just make you listen to me for too long. Oh, my jolly good show. Okay, so 30 days money back guarantee. I mean, actually, I do like the sales page, surprisingly, because it's not too lengthy. And yeah, that's it. We've come to the end of the sales page. Voila! This is Mr. Mosh Barry. I like this guy. He releases cool software. I actually bought one of his softwares, which is, I think, DriveZPresso, and I actually paid $17 for that one DriveZPresso. Okay, and now I would get a bunch of like different things for the same money. So guys, like, do you know, grab it, because it's gonna, well, if you're into like affiliate marketing, if you have websites, you know, blogs, whatever, then, you know, it's perfect for people like that. Even to store your, you know, like, yeah, for storing stuff, that's the DriveZPresso. Okie dokie. So let me show you just quickly. Let me show you the dashboard of those 4 softwares, and you will see what you're getting. So this is the HostzZPresso, and guys, that training is provided. So they will teach you how to set everything up, how to go about using those softwares. So don't worry, they're quality products. Mosh Barry is, you know, he's an experienced marketer, and he releases super useful softwares. I love promoting his products. And, you know, he's been around the blogs. He knows what he's doing. He's like one of the top marketers. So, okay, so that's the HostzZPresso. You will just log in here, and then you have the training and tutorials. So this is for hosting your websites, unlimited websites and unlimited domains. Now guys, this is DriveZPresso. This is the one I have. So it's your, like, you know, Dropbox or Google Drive replacement. So for like just upload unlimited files, you can create folders, you know, you have everything you need, and you can share this stuff with whoever you want to share it. Now MailZPresso is this one here, and this is your autoresponder, so it will allow you to create campaigns. You know, obviously it's an autoresponder, so what do? You upload your emails, you create your campaign, your email, and then you just fire it up to thousands of people. I don't know how many people you have on your email list. Anyhow, then we have the FunnelZPresso. So you will be creating the landing pages, you will have some beautiful templates, and that's where you can also collect your leads. You will store your leads, and yeah, simple softwares, but you know, a lot you can do with it. Now let's jump on my bonus page quickly. I'll not be spending ages here either. Okay. Now if you wish to buy it from me, you just click on this here to secure a copy and bonuses, and then guys, you will be redirected to the sales page, where you essentially make the purchase by doing what? Yeah, click here to get instant access now, and then, you know, guys, you will access the product on Warrior Plus. Let me just show you quickly this one here. Now my bonuses, which I will show you in a second, will be here where you see this blue circle button. The green one is you know, D1Bundle and all of the vendors bonuses, because they also give you a bunch of bonuses on top of just the front end. Now let's go back to the top of my bonus page. And now you have like a description of what this product comes with, the main features. Please go through it, guys. Check it out. It's on my just below my video. Here's the whole funnel. So we have the front end 17. I am confused myself because I've seen $17, $19, 21, or was it 22? Whichever is the case, we can actually check it and go to the sales page. We'll check it right now, guys. So we'll find out what the actual price of the front end, because I've seen like 2 different prices or even 3. I mean, without the discount is a different case, right? Anyhow, here are 5 upsells. Unfortunately, I do not have more information on the upsells. This is what I have. But once you've bought the front end, you know, there will be many upsells and downsells, and you know, hit them up on support. The support, I presume, is good, because Mosh Barry has been like, you know, out there for a long time. So I'm sure he has like support very well organized. So ask them, depending on your needs, depending on what you need for your business, what you do, you know, tell them what you need and they will recommend the suitable upsells for you. All right. Now, so here's like loads of the key benefits. It's all on my bonus page, guys. Now here I have received some bonuses which are totally free of charge as a thank you from me if you pick it up from me. Now I've got them from my mentor John Armstrong. He always like tries to pick some suitable bonuses which will complement the product. So here they are, and he has allowed me to share them with my buyers. So the first one is Access Online Entrepreneur. I hope I pronounce it well, entrepreneur. The second one is a collection of done-for-you funnels to monetize. There you go, you can just monetize them. Well, obviously you'll have to know how and bring the traffic to it. Then Access Journals Headlines. Heck, it's very good. The headlines are super important, especially very, very useful for email marketing. And then number 4 is Access Atomic Done For You. So a cool product apparently. I don't know. I've never used it myself, so I don't want to mislead you, but it's apparently good. And then all of the vendor bonuses, guys. And now let's jump to the sales page, because I am actually intrigued by actually checking this price. Okay, click here to get instant access. So again, like via my bonus page, you will get to this sales page, and here is where you buy it. So let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, nothing is happening. Let me see. Just bear with me. Let's scroll down to maybe the end. Okie dokie. Wait. Where was it? Special offer discount expires. Okay. Okay, let's click on this one. Why is it not loading up? Okay, just bear with me, guys. Alright, jolly good show. I'm trying and like, what is happening? I can't, like, you know. Okay, let's see. Let's click on this one. Grab your discount now. I really don't understand this. Why nothing is happening? I don't know. Guys, you have to sort out this, talking to Mosh Barry, this sales page, because it's not taking me anywhere. I mean, I'm sure they'll fix that. Maybe it's my internet or something. I don't know. Anyhow, never mind. I'm sure they'll take care of it. So guys, it's either $17 or $19 or 20 something. But you know, do remember, if you make use of that discount, you're not getting the autoresponder. So if you don't like care about email marketing, if you don't do that, then you may as well grab the discount and forget about the autoresponder. Just get the storage pay, DriveZPresso, hostzpresso, and FunnelZPresso. All right. Anyhow, yeah, it's cool. It's a cool like bundle, and you know, very useful, and loads of features you're getting. You know, will be very helpful for your business for sure. Sorry about the light, it's kind of dark. Yeah, it's like, you know, nighttime here where I am, so it is what it is. Anyhow, lovely reviewing this product, and you know, if you like it, you can buy it from me. and give me some likes, guys. Give me some love, you know, give me some love, and subscribe to my channel. I'm a bit crazy, but I am who I am, and yeah. See you in my next one. Take care. I'm kind of like just blabbing away now, so you know, excuse me. Take care. Have a beautiful day, or sleep well in my case.